Welcome you all. I am Raju Manji, and in this video lecture I will discuss about nested if statement. So what is nested if? Nested if is nothing but if within if, when you write one statement within another if statement, such as called nested if statement. And this kind of structure you can solve many problem. For example, to display maximum of two numbers, to display order even, or many more. But I will discuss the authentication of login, and in this video lecture I will discuss the demonstrate of login authentication. I will demonstrate username and password entered by the user within the help of nested. So I will declare username, dim user as the data type is string, dim password, keyword is pass as string. Then one message is console dot write line, and the statement enter user name and password. Then username and password are input through end user. So you have to use user equal to console dot read line. Then another input pass equal to console dot read line. And I want to authenticate the username and password are correct or not with the help of nested if. So I will write if username user equal to MCR, then I am giving the dummy password. So suppose we have to use the dummy password, so another if statement are used here. So if pass equal to 123, then we have to write one statement because the username and password are correct. Then in this situation we have to write the one statement. Then statement will be console dot write line, user name and password are correct. Username and password are correct. Suppose username are MCR and password are 123 are checked, and the statement are given username and password are correct here. but in any situation username does not match, or first condition is true, control will check the second condition and print the statement. Otherwise, you write the else statement in inner if condition is false. What value enter in the password does not match within the password is 123. In this case, I will print the message. In this situation, I will print the message using else statement. So else statement will be console dot write line, or write, you can use both, console dot write line password does not match. What another condition are given? The user name does not match. So in this situation we have to write the another if statement in outer block. So outer block we have to write another else statement. So else console dot write line password does not match. Okay, then one console dot read key or read line are used to hold the screen. Save the program and execute. Yes, enter username and password. So username are used mcr and password 1234 or password 123 na. Okay, so you have to enter username mcr and password 123. Enter. Username and password are correct. Our program executes successfully. Then again run the program and check the else statement are working or not. So username mcr but password 12345. Okay, password does not match. That means first if statement, if, then another if are used, then first if first condition and second condition both are right, then print the username and password are correct. Suppose first condition are true but second condition false. In this situation else statement are working, password does not match, but first condition are false. In this situation that else statement will be work. So here user so any confusion, then rerun the program. The username mcr1 and password 123. Okay, user does not match. Hope so you are understood the statement of nested if in VB.NET console programming. I hope you understood the concept of nested if statement. You have any regarding this, you can comment me. Thank you for watching this video.